Zedekiah, also written Tzidkiyahu, originally called Mattanyahu or Mattaniah, was a biblical character, the last king of Judah before the destruction of the kingdom by Babylon. Zedekiah had been installed as king of Judah by Nebuchadnezzar II, king of Babylon, after a siege of Jerusalem in 597 BC, to succeed his nephew, Jeconiah, who was overthrown as king after a reign of only 3 months and 10 days. William F. Albright dates the start of Zedekiah's reign to 598 BC, while Thiele gives the start in 597 BC. On that reckoning, Zedekiah was born in c. 617 BC or 618 BC, being 21 on becoming king. Zedekiah's reign ended with the siege and fall of Jerusalem to Nebuchadnezzar II, which has been dated to 587 or 586 BC. The prophet Jeremiah was his counselor, yet he did not heed the prophet, and his epitaph is, "He did evil in the sight of the Lord."